I have a table here which has the data of various products in an ERP system. This table has fields like item name, SKU, cost price, selling price, etc. There are 3 reports created based on this table. We have a profit percentage by items chart in the form of a word cloud and 2 top 10 charts listing items by selling price and stock at hand. We also have these reports embedded in this ERP dashboard. Now let's make some changes to the data. I want to remove the hyphens in the names of the products so it looks better in the word cloud chart. I'm going to replace the hyphens with a space using find and replace. The data has changed. Now let's look at the charts. For the charts, to reflect the latest data, let's click refresh. The data changes as cascaded to the word cloud and the labels of the bar charts. We can see the data change on the dashboard as well. Now, what happens when you add new columns to the data? When new columns are added, it won't affect any existing charts or dashboards, but they will be available to use in a new or existing chart. Let's create a new column by rounding off the selling price column. Now, this new column, selling price rounded, can be used in place of the selling price column in the top 10 chart by editing it and changing the parameters. What happens when you delete a column or change the data type of a column? There are 2 scenarios here. 1. If a column is not used by any chart, then the column deletion or data type change can be done right away. 2. If a column is used in any chart, then while deleting or changing the data type of the column, you will see a warning saying that you can't proceed further before removing the column from the charts it is used in. This warning will show a list of all dependent charts that use this column. This is how data and model changes cascades to the dependent reports and dashboards in the Zoho BI platform. Hope this was helpful. If you have any queries, please reach out to us at support@zohoanalytics.com. Thanks for watching.